you know, you have to make choices. That's all. And Lodge was once against us, I think 3 years ago, when we played in Morocco. And he was playing very good in Pirates at that moment. His performance was not good. And then I followed him, and then he played, and then he didn't play, and in Pirates he got out of the team, and then he went to Sundowns because the Rulani wanted him, but after a few months he didn't play anymore. So okay, now he's playing good in Morocco, but you have to look also as he dates. This is not the future. I'm very sorry. This is not the future. And if I shouldn't have other opportunities, okay, maybe I should take him, maybe. But it happened also 4 years ago with Denmark. And I wanted to look for opportunities, but I didn't find them, and I had to come back, and I had to take Demba, and it was a very good decision that I took him, because you see what happens with the team then. But again, for Lodge, for the moment I don't see, even he has good performances in Morocco, I don't see any reason why I should take him with the team. Yeah, Steve, yeah, but I don't think that Lin has the level that we need in Bafana Bafana.